Hello my friends, welcome back to my orchid garden. Today, I will share with you a magical solution that helps orchids grow incredibly well, made from 3 easily available ingredients: aloe vera, rice, and garlic. And not just that today, we will turn a withering flower into a fresh, new orchid seedling. Stay with me and let's bring it back to life together. We will use this wilted flower stem and bring it back to life. We should disinfect with cinnamon after cutting the flower stem to protect the orchid from bacteria and fungal infections. This helps the wound heal faster and keeps the plant healthy and strong. This stem still has flower buds. Use a knife to cut the orchid stem, creating a wider surface area. This helps the plant absorb more nutrients and encourages new growth. Don't forget to disinfect the cut with cinnamon. We will use a clove of garlic. Garlic is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to protect the orchid from infections. Sliced it out. Garlic is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to protect the orchid from infections. It also contains sulfur and allicin, which boost the plant's natural defenses and promote healthy root growth. Grind garlic. We will blend the garlic with 100 milliliters of water. We will also use rice. Rice is packed with essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which help strengthen roots and promote healthy growth. That sounds great. Engaging with your audience like this helps build a wonderful community of orchid lovers. Let me know if you'd like any variations. We will use aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help orchids grow stronger and healthier. We will extract the gel from aloe vera and apply it to the orchid. This natural gel helps protect the plant, speed up healing, and promote strong root growth. It's a simple yet powerful way to give our orchids the best care. The remaining gel will be blended into a solution. If you're having trouble with the language, don't worry. We offer subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. How to enable subtitles. 1. Click the settings icon on the video. 2. Select Subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your preferred language. 4. If your language isn't available, select Auto Translate and pick your desired language. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the video in your own language effortlessly. After 30 minutes, we will strain the mixture to extract the pure solution. We will combine 3 powerful solutions: garlic water, aloe vera gel, and rice water. Soak it for 30 minutes. We use glue to seal the cut on the orchid, creating a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss and keeps harmful bacteria, fungi, and pests from entering. This helps the plant heal faster and reduces the risk of infections or decay. We will use floral foam to propagate the orchid because it retains moisture well without causing root rot. The foam also provides good aeration, allowing the roots to develop healthily and anchor securely. This is a simple yet highly effective method to encourage fast root growth and strong plant development. Cut a few holes in the foam to help the plant breathe better. This will improve air circulation around the roots, preventing excess moisture buildup and promoting healthy growth. The remaining solution can be used to care for other plants, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Now, let's use a cotton pad to gently wipe the leaves, keeping them clean and healthy. This helps provide essential nutrients and protection, allowing more orchids to thrive. Now, let's take a cotton pad and gently wipe the leaves. This not only removes dust and bacteria, but also helps the plant absorb light more efficiently, keeping it strong and healthy. After 6 weeks, the orchid has made remarkable progress. Its roots have grown even longer, stretching out strong and full of life, absorbing nutrients sufficiently. The leaves have become broader, richer in color, and more vibrant, showing their healthy shine. The plant looks stronger than ever, standing tall and full of energy. Look at these roots. They've grown so long and strong, reaching out in all directions. We will plant them using pine bark. Pine bark is perfect for orchids because it provides excellent airflow to the roots, prevents waterlogging, and helps keep them healthy and strong. This way, our orchids can grow beautifully and thrive in the best conditions. We will use moss. Moss helps retain moisture while keeping the roots hydrated without making them too wet. It also provides a soft and airy environment, allowing the orchid roots to breathe and grow strong. With moss, our orchids will stay healthy and thrive beautifully. We will take the freshly mixed solution and gently water our orchids with it. This nutrient-rich blend will help nourish the roots, keeping them hydrated and boosting their overall health. Regularly using this solution will strengthen the plant, encourage new root growth, and promote vibrant leaves and flowers. With the right care and attention, our orchids will flourish beautifully, growing stronger each day. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for your orchid care journey. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Goodbye for now, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video.